Hang on, I'm busy. This is the Didcot Railway Centre. Sorry?
That's what you call a proper turntable.
Yeah. You can actually walk right up to that, you know.
Yeah, you can walk over it, but isn't it?
Ah, doubt it. Cool though.
Porter's barrows, look.
Oh yeah. Let's have a look in there, shall
They
we?
used to have trunks and things, didn't they?
Yeah. Yeah. Nice man being here. Got mega falls sticking up there. Well, hello. Hey, Lord. Well, it's probably a Didcot Parkway, that is. Didcot Halt. I'm just filming this. Yeah, Great Western Railway. No, no, it's that side, it says. Train! 180.
You want to go on there?
How did I get that side?
Yeah, where's it going?
I thought the other side.
Nothing going up north.
Great moving it goes normally.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not going to Bristol.
Or Cheltenham, Gloucester, you know.
Yeah. No, we're on Cheltenham. Okay.
You were, you're right. I mean, it's on that side too.
Yeah. It's a bit,
Two?
yeah. Well, you saw the map, didn't you?
I did. You're right.
What's that over there all covered up then? New train all sheeted up, look.
Something that's not sheet. No, that's better. That is. They're carriages. It's like random carriages.
It's got plastic all over it though.
It's not plastic. That's metal. Hello, we have a level
There's
crossing.
no windows or nothing in it.
Oh, no, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Actually,
Sheeted over.
you're right.
Thank you.
This is fun.
It's a new train, mate, coming to service.
Oh wait, well, it's a very long one, isn't it? And it's got retracted gangways, but it actually hasn't it? Yes.
I bet it's a brand new train waiting to come into
Level
operation.
crossing.
Yeah, it's old-fashioned railway gates, look.
Yeah, right in front of it.
The bloke used to have to come out and light the light every night, yeah?
Yeah.
Light the candle.
There you go. Yeah, I can see that. It's two.
There goes another train.
Point side. Oh yeah, it is a Thames Turbo. Yeah, can I get it from here? There it goes. God, camera garbage. Yep, so that's it. So the station is just down that way. Oh, we've got a running day today. Sorry? No, I can't, no. That's private in there. Beware of trains. But I will have a look. No, that is definitely private. As you can see, Station Road.
Hearing me, I've got
Old sign. Great Western Railway.
Hope you're not picking my farts up on there.
What do you...
Can you
Yeah,
see?
well, hey, look at that water tank.
You see the signal in, look? Look, it goes round the pulley.
Yeah, I've seen it before.
Look, and it goes there.
Yeah, I pulls that, yeah, I know.
So that goes all the way along to where it, oh, it changes with the points, look. So when they change the points, it changes the signal.
I know.
Ah.
This is all mechanical stuff, you know. Like that. Yeah, it goes under here that controls all this.
The phone's going to run out in a minute. The banana van.
Oh, yes.
6 tons and 10 tons. Why the seagull here?
Up here. Yeah, there's the old cables.
Oh yeah, the old telephone line.
I don't think they'll work though, do they?
Well, it might do.
Suppose we go this way, are we?
Down there.
Let's have a look.
Well, this is the carriage shed. Here.
Yeah. Actually, it'd be more interesting going this way.
So yeah, there's not a lot of difference.
Right.
Down this way, really.
Carriage display.
Transfer shed and a board gauge.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Go in, shall we?
Oh look.
We can get in here.
Look, you see how this works here?
What?
It's not a turntable. Look, that rail moves.
Oh, that is cool.
You see, so it moves across, so that all these carriages can come in and out the
Now
back.
that is cool.
I've never
Look.
seen that before, have you?
Hey, look. Look. Hang on.
Look at
Sign.
that
Carriage display here without carpet.
Yeah.
This place is awesome. Ah, God.
Bloody hell.
That's a bit of a hazard. If I fall down, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that. Hang on. I hope this platform crawls up.
Yes, it'll be alright.
So this is carriage A of whatever
Oh,
number it is.
Look, this is catcher.
Yeah.
Catcher.
Can't see anything like a break in there.
Yeah, they used to catch them out.
Oh yeah, they do that today with modern drains.
Oh, look at that lid. Look
There we are.
Look how posh it is in there.
Number
Got
9.
armchairs in there.
I own one too. And yeah.
Look how posh that is.
No, this is old school first class.
Got a menu in there. Look, luncheon, 2 shillings and 6pence.
Oh yeah. Look at this, all set out nice.
Isn't that
Oh no, that
there,
is
isn't
awesome.
All preserved.
Look, perfect seats and all
A
that.
bit like the ones up at York, aren't they?
I love these sliding doors, they're good. Yeah,
Oh, it is a proper one.
bard.
That's really old, that one.
Oh, hang on, just getting a few. Flag there. That it's just not coupled together, it's just loose. It's a gangway there.
Look at
What the
how big
flip
there, mate.
is that?
Just a chain.
I know, I've seen them before.
Yeah.
It's a first class cabin there. This is the third class. Now that is nice, little compartment.
Look at all the works in there.
Hang on. Yep, it's all across here. So, it's got gangway, it's a bit dodgy, you've got the chain and all that. Yeah, you've got.
That's a lot older.
Like this, all compartments.
This one here, look, you can't even change carriages.
I know, you can't, can you?
All they had there was 2 hooks to join them up with.
Thanks for that up here.
Can you see?
I can see, yeah, I know, I've seen it before.
Oh look, they've got one strip right out here, they're doing up.
Yeah, so you've got.
Well, watch out for these, they're very steep.
They are dodgy.
Well, they hold these.
Oh, this is
they
a
hold
nice
you.
dining cart. Wow. So this has all been preserved, etc. in there. Lights on there. Good. This. These steps are dodgy. Going down. I hate steps. Good. Jump, jump.
Oh, yeah. Right here, look. These used to be made, look.
Oh yeah.
Whack and take this carriage down there.
Look back of a train.
Look at that. Wow.
Got a little loco here too, looks like. And all that. I wonder if you're allowed in there. Ouch.
There's a big carriage down to your right.
To my right. Oh yeah, the Pullmans, I think. Looks like I'm supposed to be in there, but oh.
They're going to restore this.
Yeah. No, this is completely
How are they
stripped
gonna
out.
restore that? They can't restore that, it's had it.
I'll probably want to rebuild it.
Oh look, it's had it, it's rotted.
Oh look, it's even got part of the
Oh,
bottom
that's
trailer.
the bottom, that goes on top of there.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah.
What the hell is this?
Oh, that looks like it's for livestock, that one.
It must be.
Oh, they're rebuilding this carriage here, look.
Hello, I bought the gangways open, but it's not.
Look, they're actually rebuilding it.
Oh yeah, they are. I think you've stripped straight back to metal. Look, that gas thing's running.
Running?
I can hear it. You can hear that gas come from it.
No.
I can. Hear that hissing. Well, hissing.
I don't know what that is even.
Hissing. And yeah. Hear hissing.
Look at this, look. Look at all this sheeting up, look.
I know.
Wow. So
Great
much work to do.
Western Railway goods offices.
This must be a rare carriage to be doing all this work.
Yeah, it's a good body show, I can see that. Bloody hell, this thing's old. Hello, hello, hello. Why is the steps going up to it?
What?
Look.
No, in, can't you? You want?
Come on.
What?
Well, it looks a bit dodgy going up, but